A little history of Evergreen Herbs and Roots Organic is TJ and I started out of our dad's garage in 1996. It was a concept, an idea that we thought we could bring to the market. From that humble beginnings inside the family garage, the company has now prospered into almost nearly 200 acres of specialty produce. Chef's Plate is actually a fairly new concept to us because we've never actually studied this segment of the marketplace before. And from all indications, we're extremely impressed with the type of enthusiasm, creativity, and lifestyle type of food that they are bringing out to the customer. They work closely in portion sizes. What is the expectations in terms of flavor? What is it that we can provide nationally?
So the rhubarb for Chef's Plate, we plant it in row covers, and we do that in order to keep the weeds and the bugs away from the product. This way we have a very flavorful rhubarb at the end of the day. Our diversity of product lines that we carry now, our mechanisms of planting and seeding. We're producing some beautiful and flavorful crops that's not usually available, and I think that's put us in a different spotlight amongst farmers and growers in the area, where we want to make sure that the carrot tastes the sweetest, the beets taste the sweetest, and there's value and flavor in the product that we're growing and producing, and we take great pride in that.
With Chef's Plate, it's already thriving. It is a passion. It is a way of living. It is a belief in being able to bring the best product to the market every single week, every single month, every single year.